Hello.
Okay, guys, today I'm here at vlogging. If y'all see my second video, it's early vlogging, and now I got my cousin with me. See, so my dad, and I got her with me, my sister. If y'all always know she did, and hers too. So you see my other videos is like 1 minute. So today, y'all wanna hear a rap? Like this gonna be a rapping video. So
You ready?
you just like and subscribe and sit back and enjoy the video. Okay?
It's bacon,
Okay.
it's bologna, it's bologna.
Yeah.
It's bacon, grits, bologna. It's so grits and bacon, bologna. Looks so good. Bologna.
Now hold on. It's bacon, grits, bologna, cheese grits. You want some bologna? You want pancake bologna? Okay. So bologna, sausage pancakes, bologna is bacon, bologna cheeseburger, bologna sausage, yeah. Bologna. Nigga, you just messed the whole thing up. I did. She just messed the whole beat up. I didn't mean to look at y'all and say that nigga, but I'm sorry for saying it. But she messed the whole thing up. Like, whoa, why would you do that? Oh, get you. You so fake. You are realistic. You got a mustache.
First of all, I don't got a mustache. Go get a new tape line. Can that tape line trying to run from your head? You don't even got no hair, but guess what? You can't rap or you gonna say jeans, bacon,
My tape
grits,
line look
bologna.
fresh, but I just got tape on. My tape line look fresh, but look at her teeth.
First of all, go fix yours. Why you got butter on it?
I brushed my teeth this morning. Did you even brush your teeth? You just made this turn into a cracking barrel.
Watch this.
Jit, why you
Bro.
putting my camera down?
Well, because I'm about to not.
Jit, yeah.
Well, first of all, you can't be talking. Look at them ears. The ears look like an F.
Jit, you can't be talking, but you look like Steve Kerr.
Hold on, I gotta go to summer camp. But first of all, I went to the I promoted to the 5th grade.
Summer camp. Summer camp.
Well, summer school or summer camp.
It's reading camp, but she gotta go too. And me and her smart. You in 5th grade, and you barely even know your ABCs.
I do know my ABCs. I can sing for you right now.
Hold on.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So now I know my.
No, it's not like that. It's like Z D E F G H I J K G A H. Okay, no, okay, ote. Pita.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho,
So you need to be quiet because
Zori, you can't be
And look at
talking.
this
We had you
picture.
crying over there.
yeah, and we
No, let me
had
get on my YouTube right now.
we had her
Hold
crying.
up, wait.
But it's okay.
Let me get on my YouTube right now.
Because we had her crying because we took her out and she went on YouTube. Oh, this nigga knocked down my camera.
You can't be talking. We had you over there.
No, you made me cry because this girl right here, boy. You already know that. Look, you see how she is? She's probably because
My phone.